What's up, YouTube? Guns and Knives Guy here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Kahr cw9 that you see right in front of you. For those of you that know about cars, you'll know that the cw9 is the economy version of their Kahr P9. And those differences between this one and the P9 is, you'll see right away that the engraving, like you see that on this one, it looks kind of cheap, while on the P9 it'll have a roll mark, which looks a lot fancier. Also, the slide is polished. I don't know what the hell this is called, what this has on it, but yeah, the slide is polished. And also, the P9 has a polygonal barrel, as opposed to this one, which has a traditional right hand twist, I believe the barrel is. Yeah, but when you're talking about guns this small, when you're talking about 2.5 to 3 inch barrels, polygonal riffling versus traditional riffling, I sincerely doubt you're gonna see any difference for the matter. I mean, if anything, you'll probably gain like 2 feet per second from a polygonal barrel when you're talking about barrels of this length. Another difference is the front sight. For example, on the P9, like right here, there'll be an indentation to where you put the sight in and you could adjust it more to the left or to the right. And that's pretty much it, as opposed to this one, which is a pin sight. And also, this one comes with 1 magazine, as opposed to the P9, which comes with 2 magazines. See, this comes with a standard 7-round. Okay, for you safety Nazis, look, it's unloaded. And overall, it's a pretty nice gun. I have about 100 rounds through this gun. I mean, it's just something I keep around the house. It's small. I can keep it in, areas that I normally don't, would never think of keeping a gun. For example, I could keep it inside of my, my sweater pocket, or, just my short pocket, or, just whatever it is I'm wearing. It's just a very handy gun. For how small it is, I mean, it fits the hand surprisingly well. I mean, as you can see, I got huge freaking hands, but despite that, I'm able to get an excellent grip on it. And I would recommend this to anybody, as a CCW piece, as a home defense piece. It's just really solid. You move it around and I mean, you hardly hear anything. I mean, you just hear like the slide rattling to the left and the right, and that's about all. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all there is to. Oh yeah, disassembly. Pretty much to disassemble it, I'm not going to disassemble it now. Watch. Hopefully I could pick this up on the camera. I'm sorry. Hang on. Okay, I hope you see that right there, right where I got my finger. I'm pointing to it. That little notch. Okay, well, essentially that little notch, you line it up with this, line it up like this, with this other, okay, you see, the camera's barely picking this up, but you could actually see a little notch on the plastic, which I have it aligned with perfectly now. And then once that's aligned, you just push this piece out, the slide stop, and pretty much once it's out, you pull the trigger, you just pull the slide off. Not as easy as other guns, but still not very hard. It is kind of a pain in the ass to do, but still, that's I mean, I'd say that's minimal, because it's not like you're going to be cleaning your gun after every shot. You do it once you're done shooting, so not an issue. Overall, I'd recommend this gun, and well, let me know what you think.